So let's talk about police tactics surrounding collecting evidence around murders where they might not have enough evidence to proceed to trial.
You mean recent police tactics? Yeah?
Yeah.
Well, sure, I could tell you about some of the tactics. One of the common tactics now that the RCMP are using is an operation they call the Mr. Big operation. And what they do is they seduce, they haven't got enough evidence to charge. And so what they'll do is they'll have chance encounters with undercover officers, and they'll try and befriend you, and they'll try and get you to commit small, petty little crimes, and they'll pay you off. And they have all these scenarios set up to build your confidence to the point that, and they might do this over six months, a year, 2 years. They build your confidence up, and then they say, geez, you want to become part of our organization, you have to meet Mr. Big. And Mr. Big is another police officer who's out there, who's a senior guy, but he pretends he's a gangster. And he says, well, you want to join our operation? You ought to tell us about this murder that happened, or some crime that happened here. We want to be able to fix it up for you. And people get suckered in oftentimes to giving evidence to what is really a police officer that they think is a gangster. They leave that evidence at trial, and that evidence becomes part of a confession. Recently, however, there's been some cases that say that evidence is not admissible. And you should know about that, and you should know about those cases. If you want to know about those cases, the post-Grandinetti cases that I call them, Grandinetti was a case that went to the Supreme Court of Canada, call me, I can tell you about it.